is for airplane, airplane flying way up high. B is for bowl, bouncing to the sky. C is for cupcake, cupcake frosted nice and sweet. D is for dinosaur, dinosaur stomping big feet. E is for elephant, elephant with a trunk so long. F is for fireworks, fireworks bursting like a song. G is for guitar, drumming tunes so fine. H is for hat, hat looking cool and divine. I is for igloo, igloo made of snow so white. J is for jelly beans, jelly beans colorful and bright. K is for kite, kite flying in the breeze. L is for lollipop, lollipop a yummy treat to please. M is for moon, moon glowing in the night. N is for nest, nest where birds sleep tight. O is for octopus, octopus with 8 arms to show. P is for paint, paint making colors glow. Is for queen, queen with a crown so grand. R is for robot, robot moving hand in hand. For swing, swing, going to and fro. T is for train, train, choo-choo as we go. Hey! U is for umbrella, umbrella for a rainy day. V is for violin, violin playing tunes that sway. W is for watch, watch, watch ticking round and round and round. X is for xylophone, making music sound. Yeah! O is for yo, 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 spinning up and down. Z is for zebra, zebra with stripes all around. From A to Z, let's sing and play, learning new things every